Previously on BMW E60.
At the right hand side of the car, guys. So this is the right tail lamp. So as we can see here is the light is on, but on this side the light is off. So that's why we see at the iDrive the problem shows that right tail lamp error. That's why what it shows in the iDrive. Okay, so today I'm going to replace that. Just an easy fix that you can do. So how much does it cost me? Watch the video until the end, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to another video in my YouTube channel. So today I am going to put a hold on fixing my BMW E60 because I do not have the parts for it. So I have gone through various BMW specialist shop and they are out of stock for the headlights uh, for the OEM in BMW sold in the shop. So instead of waiting for the new stock to arrive, so I take the matters into my own hand and I'm going to search the parts by myself using the online. Uh, One of the place I use to shop online is Shopee, Lazada, eBay, or AliExpress. So in comparison to all of the apps that I have said, I found out that Lazada was the best place and the cheapest for me to buy the parts. So before I continue with my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, let's go ahead on the video. So I have opened up Google. So what I'm searching for is the headlight for the headlamp, which is the parking light, because I have problem. If you remember in the previous video, I have shown in the iDrive that the parking light left and right is broken, so I need to fix it, but yet I don't have the parts. So I decided to go to Lazada, okay, to find whether they have the parts. Okay, sorry for the slow connection. So if you can see this, my search history, it's BMW E60 engine arch, headlight bulb, and parking light. But the best option, or the best way you want to search about the BMW lights, you type in BMW E60 angel eyes, which I only have to click it. So after that, you will have a various choice in where you want to pick your replacement light. So if you can see, we have here H8 headlight bulb. It's 2-piece 40 volt. Okay, but for me, what I'm looking for is a Canbus. If you see in a picture, it's a Canbus headlight replacement, so it's varies in terms of price and where it's been made from, which is in supplied from China. So what I'm looking for is an error-free Canbus, so when the system try to read, it doesn't provide the dashboard with warning error regarding the parking sensor. So the type that I bought is similar to this one, so I'm just going to click it. So before we go further into details regarding the parts, these parts that I bought, so we're going to learn a bit about the Canbus system. So let's go to my presentation. Okay, so what is a Canbus bulb spec? Okay, a Canbus bulb spec, we see here is the example of the Canbus bulb, which is made probably from best quality and LED type. So first one is attached with resistor internally or externally. The second one is usually present in most European cars, for example the Audi, Mercedes-Benz, or BMW. So guys, it is the Canbus most of the Canbus is present on European cars. That is why I chose to use this on my BMW E60. And the other function of Canbus is it monitors the activity of the lights on the vehicle. So yeah, it's pretty easy because it has the system that it controls and monitors the activity of the light, and is commonly used for exterior light such as turn signal, headlights, parking lights, and more. So it also have an adapter that is compatible to prevent dashboard running. So which means it's when you install the headlight, it will be error free usually. Okay, and the sixth one is the waterproof connectors, which is durable and provide IP65 from dust and water. So those are some of the specs of the Canbus bulb, right? So we're gonna go back to Lazada and see regarding about my purchase. Okay, so it costs 60 ringgit, not included the shipping. So it will be shipped from overseas, and the shipping is depending on your place, which is in Kuala Lumpur. For mine is in Kota Kinabalu. So its standard price delivered to Kuala Lumpur is 5 ringgit and 20 cent, but it's up to the place, the destination of the parcel you're going to put. So let's take a look regarding this LED angel eyes halo lamp light. It's suitable for E39, E53, E60, and also E61. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at its specification. Right, so we're here. So when we buy this part, it will provide us with a 2-piece 45-watt white angel eye LED marker, halo ring, light bulb, super bright LED, energy save. Okay, it will work about 50,000 working hours, and it's extremely long lasting life. It's instant light on and off, just plug and play. No, it doesn't interfere with the radio, and it have Canbus error free. So at the iDrive, it will not show error when installed. Okay, so it's a good light, perfect replace halogen bulb. It's waterproof with internal constant current CPU. So which means when we on the halo light, so its current doesn't make the bulb blinking like most of the replacement. When you replace with a halo lamp without the Canbus, it will be blinking. So the original halo ring for my car BMW E60 is yellow in color, so I'm trying to change it into this LED, which is white, so give it a bit change in color. So continuing with overheat and failure setup protection. Okay, so it's high power, super bright LED, energy safe, and long life, constant power flow while remaining extremely stable. So it's very stable. Its light color is 6,500 to 7,000 for white. Its length is 6.4 cm. The package size is about 7 cm times 10.5 cm width and 5.5 cm high. Okay, the LED numbers, it have 9-piece LED chip. So in the bulb, it have 9-piece LED. It have lumens output. Okay, about 1,400 lumens per bulb. The power is 45 watt per bulb. Operating voltage, it's between 9 volt to 18 volt. Direct current. Input ampere is 0.7 plus minus 0.2 ampere. So the color temperature, yes, we already explained about that, is for white. Lifespan in earlier, yes, 50,000 hours. Waterproof rate, yes, it comes with IP65, which I have already explained at my slide just now, if you remember. So it has operating moments output. This is all I have already replaced. So it's placement font, and this is an important matter because in here it highlighted if your BMW is before the year 2007, it will work. But if your BMW is the year 2008, after it is not suitable for it. So the material, you can see the color is silver, material ABS. The package that we will receive is the two bulbs and the connectors, including the Canbus adapters. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so this is the what we get. I mean the cold light. What is called white? What's the color like? Right. So suitable for E39, E53, E60, and E61. So we can see the halo ring. It's brighter with white color. Okay, cool white color. Okay, so this is what we get. Right, so this is the adapter, connectors, and the Canbus. This is the Canbus part. So this is the connectors. Okay, just connect it, and it's simple DIY you can do. But to open up the headlights, you need to have the set of tools. Okay, so I think that's it for my video. So I can't show you more because I still haven't received the parts yet. I'm still waiting. So hopefully when the parts is delivered to me, then I can restart back and replacing the parking light for my E60. So I hope this video had been helpful for anyone who is searching for the replacement for the angel eyes LED, which shows in your iDrive, which is the message showing that parking light failure, which means either your parking light had already been burned or need replacement. Okay, so I will see you in a future video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my page for more videos. Okay guys, that's all from me. I hope to see you soon. Next time on BMW E60. Hey guys, so the parts have arrived. I have received the parts for the halo light replacement. So I'll catch you next Saturday regarding the replacement of the halo ring light. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you soon guys.
Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.